Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to use GIF on Instagram story replay. So let's suppose you want to replay anyone else story and you want to replay with it with a GIF. Okay, so what you can do is simply just open up that story which story you want to replay. So simply tap on that send message. Now you can see GIF icon on the right side, bottom right side. Just tap on that and search for that GIF. Okay, and select that GIF you want to send to that story. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.